Hey guys, Lila's Tools here. Just a quick unboxing. This is the M18 Random Orbit Sander. There's your part number. Let's get into it. Well, here's the tool. Get your paperwork. Looks like it comes with some sanding discs. Down here should be our dust collection. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. So, here we go. So, let's take a look at the sander itself. There it is. What a beauty. Here's your speed dial. On, off. Ambidextrous. Well, yeah, to an extent. Let's hear how it sounds. 5-volt battery. How nice, that quick that stops. Not bad at all. So there's that guy, and let's take a quick look at your dust collection that comes with it. So here is your dust box. I believe it just opens from the top. Oh my god, that's on there. Oh. Pull both sides? What? Hold on, guys. This is going to be a real quick unboxing, but something's always got to be a little difficult, right? So does that just go right on there? Yeah. Or do you need this guy? Is that so you fit bigger batteries? Oh, no, there's clearance there. So it looks like it goes just like that. So now that that's on here, can we open it? There we go. So it's got a pleated filter in it, something like a shop vac. We'll hold a decent amount in there, and this should just clip back on. I gave it a whack on the one side and it went on. Anyway, guys, you get the point. There she is. 5-volt battery. It's quite, it's a little back heavy, but down here, I think I would hold it something like this, kind of, with a 5-0. Fingers fit nice there. It's pretty comfy. So yeah, there we go. Little quick unboxing. Milwaukee M18 Random Orbit Sander. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, guys.